this is Edgar Espinoza with Hammer Roofing. I wanted to demonstrate a repair test. Let me see it. I also wanted to point out that I've done a repair on this roof before. However, last time when I attempted to repair, here it is. You can see the different colors of the shingles. There's creasing all over the shingles post repair. Oh, you can see that because of the age of the shingles. This was the only wind damage that was on the roof in the last claim, and now there's wind damage on all four elevations. So I'm going to demonstrate the repair, just to kind of show the condition of the shingles and to make the point that these shingles are no longer repairable. Before I even get into it, I wanted to point out that we have a line of nails that we have to nail in right here, and also a line of nails that we have to nail in right here after we put the new shingles in. Okay? Moving the shingle. I now have to remove the nails. Yeah, that's good.